From Long Island, New York, she is one half of the AEW Women's World Tag Team Champions, Willow Nightingale. From Boston, Massachusetts, she is the reigning and defending TBS champion, the CEO, Mercedes Monè.
Working class hero is something to be. They hurt you at home and they hit you at school. They hate if you're clever and despise a fool. Until you're so crazy you can't follow their rules. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. When they tortured and scared you for 20-odd years, then they expect you to pick a career. When you can't really function, you're so full of fear. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. You dealt with religion and sex and TV, and you think you're so clever and classless and free, but you're still peasants as far as I can see. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. The top, they're telling you still, but first you must learn how to smile and say kill, if you wanna be like all the folks on the hill. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. Want to be a hero, well just follow me. If you want to be a hero, well just follow me.